Today we are going to make a model of a Leo constellation. So the materials are a fevicol, a piece of cotton, some toothpicks, and let's begin. So first we have to take a matchstick or a toothpick and break it into pieces of the model size of a Leo constellation. We'll break it into pieces and put it at each end. We'll take a fevicol and put it in the cotton or on the toothpick and then put them inside and keep them here. We'll take another matchstick and connect it and make the complete figure of the Leo constellation. Once you have completely made the model of the Leo constellation, you can paste it in a dark paper or you can make it strong enough and put it on a cardboard or hang it or keep it somewhere safe. Thank you.